You can jump it. Hey you guys, welcome back. I hope you're having the best summer ever. I just got back from a 9-day cruise and I am jumping back into real life. However, I am at the stage of my summer where I start to question everything. I feel like I'm everywhere trying to do everything and I'm starting to get frustrated because my house is so messy and I feel like I'm the only one in my house that cares if it's messy, which is not true. These are all lies I'm telling myself, but that's where I'm at. So I'm trying to get some structure in my day so that I can chill the freak out. So this morning, as you guys saw, we were outside doing a lot of yard work. That was great. That's one thing I'm really trying to implement into my summer this year, is just being outside every morning, like right after breakfast. We go outside and I feel like it just grounds us for the rest of the day. So that's one thing I'm trying to do. Another one, I gotta give myself a little bit of grace because I just got back like 3 days ago. Another thing I'm trying to do is for lunches every day with my older 2 kids, I switch having them take turns helping me with lunches. So they get to choose what we have and then they help prepare lunch. They also set the table and then they're kind of the waitress for lunchtime. So if one of the kids needs water or a fork or anything like that, it's their job to go get it. And it's been really fun to watch them because I feel like it actually helps them be happier. And I think it's the concept of when you serve, you're happier, and I'm definitely seeing that in my kids. And also you just appreciate things more when you have been in someone else's shoes. So that's been really fun. And it's been great, like spending more time with them in the kitchen and everything. So I love that. And then we're also trying to read every day. So yeah, that's my goal. And it's giving us enough structure that I feel like we are connecting during the day, which helps them obey better. But anyway, just cleaned my kitchen and now I'm gonna go work on Maya's room. I'm gonna get started. As you guys might have seen, I finished Talmadge's room about a week ago, and I ordered wallpaper for Maya's room and it's coming in a few days. I want to get things ready for the wallpaper to go in. So that's where I'm going to start. That was a lot of rambling. You know, they always say that boys are messy, but have you ever had a girl? Oh my gosh, this room needs so much work. So before I even get to work on this room, I am going to clear it out, do some organization, and then we get to the fun stuff. First is taking off the old trim around the doors just to update everything a little bit. or door trim. And I got all the door trim in Maya's room taken off. So tomorrow I'm going to put up new trim and build like a little reading nook. So I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.